how to buy AGXBT token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. So as you can see, this token address, it's under the Biz network. Open your wallet for that. I will use the Bitget wallet. Select the Biz as a network from here. Now after that, click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address. As you can see, click on this plus icon to add it to this token on your wallet. Go back to your wallet. Find your token that you just added. So this is it. Click on it. Now click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDC. And after that, type how much you want to buy. And you will be able to see here how much you receive. So this is it. After that, it's simple and easy. Click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy AGXBT token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.